If you're watching this video, you probably lost a ton of reviews or at least noticed you lost some reviews. So I put this together to help you claim your reviews back or at least try to get them back. And I know it's happened to a lot of my clients, so I want to put this together to help as many people as I possibly can. So what you're going to want to do, make sure you're logged into your Google account that's associated with your Google Business Profile. Type in Google Business Profile Support. Click on Google Business Profile Support. Now, you're not going to want to type in anything here. Scroll all the way down. Go to Contact Us. Now, from here, you're going to select the Google Business Profile that you notice the reviews are gone. So if you have multiple, select the ones that you see the reviews are gone, and you're going to have to do it for multiple Google Business Profiles if it happened to multiple profiles of yours. From now, you're going to type in missing reviews. Click Next. Review missing. Next step. Now, don't click on any of these links. This is just more information about the appeals, why you might have lost them, right? Just hit next step. Email. Then from here, you're going to type in your name that's associated with that Google Business Profile, your email, your number associated with the profile as well, and then your relationship. I own the business. If you're an agency, put agency. Business name, so the exact name of your Google Business Profile, the address that's associated with it. So type in the address of the business profile or your business. Profile ID. Now, how you find that is you go to your Google Business Profile here. So that's mine. But easiest way is to the Gmail you're logged in. Click on these 9 dots, Business Profile Manager. Then you'll get to this page. Then you're going to go to these 3 dots here. Click on that. Go to Business Profile Settings. Go to Advanced Settings. And then here is your ID to your Google Business Profile. Just hit Copy ID. Go back to that tab. Paste that in here. Okay. Then you're going to go to no, it hasn't been disabled. They'll ask you if it's been disabled. They'll ask you if you're elementary or high school. No. Then from here, select how many reviews you lost, so how many that you noticed that you lost, right? Select whichever one it is. Then here, are new reviews being published? Yes. Then how long were those reviews gone for? The more accurate you can be, the better. So if you just noticed it, I would log in now and just tell them the time frame of you when you lost that review. Then you're going to want to list out all the reviewers' names that you lost it in. So here are some tips. If you get a review, take a screenshot of it and have a document and then just keep adding it to like a Word document or a PDF. If you have a CRM, it should be stored in your CRM. Or every time you get a review, you do get an email that you got a review. So you could save all those emails in like a review email folder so you have all their names. I know it's painful, but that's one way you can make sure that you don't miss out on any reviews. Okay, and then where describe your issue, you're just going to put missing reviews and what profiles are associated with. If it's multiple, put the multiple profiles. You won't have a related case because this is a new case, and then hit submit. Well, I hope that was helpful, and I really, really do hope Google gives you your reviews back because I know how hard it can be to get them. Well, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.